Okay, welcome to your Fitchburg headlines this March 31st, 2025. Here to bring you the latest of what's going on in Fitchburg, Wisconsin. We want to tell you about the April 1st election that is happening on Tuesday, April 1st. From 7 a.m. until 8 p.m., you can go to the polls and you will be allowed to vote. As long as you're at the polls by 8 p.m. and in line, you will be able to stick around and vote. So let's tell you about the voting locations. If you are from Ward 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, you will be voting at the Catholic Multicultural Center located at 5256 Verona Road. If you are in Ward 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 22, you vote at the Wyndham Garden Hotel located at 2969 Cahill, Maine. If you are in Ward 11, 13, or 14, you vote at the Fitchburg Community Center located at 5510 Lacey Road. If you are in Ward 11, 23, 24, or 25, you vote at Doxa Church located at 2700 Novation Parkway. If you are in Ward 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, or 21, you vote at Fire Station 1, 5791 Lacey Road. Entrance is off Muchler Drive. If you are in Ward 19, you vote at Blackhawk Church, 5935 Astor Drive. Remember to bring a photo ID when you head to the polls. We have a graphic here for you, but don't forget to bring that photo ID for the election on April 1st. That starts at 7 a.m. until 8 p.m. You can visit elections.wi.gov/photo ID for more information about all of the forms of accepted ID for voting, including having information on how you can get a free ID. Coming up on April 8th, the Fitchburg Sustainability Plan will be at the council for vote. After a 2-year process began in 2023, the Fitchburg Sustainability Plan is nearing its completion, so hundreds of Fitchburg residents, as well as representatives of local businesses, nonprofits, have weighed in on surveys and worked together with city staff to create the sustainability plan that will help guide the city's efforts through 2030. The Resource Conservation Commission and Common Council discussed the plan at their March 10th and 11th meetings, and Council will now be holding a vote at the April 8th meeting for approval of the final plan. The latest version of the plan is available on the city's website at the Fitchburg Sustainability page. Additional documents and the original plan, as well as the consultant's project page, are all available at that location. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out. Reach out to the email sustainability@fitchburgwi.gov. You may also attend the meeting in person or watch via FACT TV. That's the Common Council meeting on April 8th that starts at 7:30 p.m. Alders will be taking a final vote on approving this plan. Are you looking for a job or want to advance your career? Sign up for the Neighborhood House Employment Workshop. This employment workshop will discuss how to find a job, what employers look for, how to make a resume, and the skills that help you succeed. That's happening Wednesday, April 23rd from 4 to 6 p.m. in Madison. You can sign up online at neighborhoodhousemadison.org/employment. It's happening 29 South Mills Street. Employment workshop. Seems like it is free to attend. You can also attend the Mindfulness and Meditation workshop on Monday, April 7th. If you're feeling tired, stuck, weighed down, or stressed, you may want to invest in yourself by registering for an Introduction to Mindfulness and Meditation. It's a 4-week workshop. You'll explore breathwork, belief systems, self-talk, and more. That's April 7th from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m., happening in the Fitchburg Room, 5510 Lacey Road. Timeline is winding down for emergency rental assistance. Funding for the emergency rental assistance program expires at the end of September. Tenant Resource Center will begin winding down that program in the coming months to prepare for the expiration of funding. The last rental assistance checks with the ERA funding will be dispersed in the summer of 2025, so assistance applications must be completed by the end of March. That means today is the last day. So, thanks everyone. We'll be back tomorrow with more updates.